When it comes to intersections, it is one of the most important places for the pedestrians, as they always have a really close contact with the incoming traffics. At Wednesday, we tend to provide students with the best environment as possible. So when it comes to commuting, everyone have a different transportation or different way to commute. But out of 10 people, there are at least 3 people who walk to the campus daily. So the main priority for the school is to protect those who walk to school as well as those who drive to school. So in 2018, the number of pedestrians injured involving car accidents has risen over 3% and reaching to 58 accidents in Michigan since 2018. And therefore, our group was thinking of developing a plan to make Anthony Went Drive Road safer for students because students who walk to campus from surrounding residential area have declined over the past 3 years due to bad driving. And the first recommendation will be adding more road markings as well as the pedestrians crosswalk signals, and this will help the drivers navigate the road better because sometimes the drivers look at their phones and then look at the roads to see where they're going, and by installing this it will decrease the chance of having minor accidents and putting the pedestrians out at risk. And the second recommendation would be build a pedestrian bridge, and uh, this will serve as a super block to shift the pedestrian traffic to the interior uh, of the campus, and it will eliminate the interaction between the pedestrians and the cars. And the third plan will be remove street parkings. By remove street parkings, it will give the pedestrians a lot more space to walk, and especially in rush hour, everyone trying to get home. So it will kind of eliminate the chances of having an accident. But on the other hand, it will be very expensive to have an environment campus that includes both interior and exterior. However, we believe that with this plan we made, this street will improve on the side of safety for the students who walk and who drive to school daily.